guys! Welcome to my channel. For today, I'm gonna be showing you how I curl my hair and my go-to hairstyles when I'm in a rush, when I haven't washed my hair, or when I want to look extra put together. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. I can use it for straightening my hair, and I can also use it for curling my hair. This one's a 32mm curling wand and I really love it. I take this everywhere with me since I can do many things with it. The temperature I usually set my curling wand to is 180 to 185 degrees. What I like to do first is to divide my hair into two sections, just here. I'm gonna start with this part of my hair. The other part, I'm just gonna tie it with a ponytail so it doesn't get mixed up with this part. I usually start behind my head, but since I want to clearly show you guys what I'm doing, I'm gonna start here in front. I'm gonna take a small chunk of my hair here. I'm gonna take my curling wand, clamp it in the middle. I like to work with the upper part of my hair first, then just twist it, count for 10 seconds, or sometimes I like to touch it and check if it's hot already. After 10 seconds, I release till here and then turn it again. I like to do this to get all the hair completely curly, because if not, if I start from the bottom part's just the one that's gonna be curly. Then I release again, then twist it around. This is the final part. Okay, after 10 seconds, I release everything. And that's it. I'm gonna do it one more time for this part. Clamp it in the middle. Wrap around the barrel. Just so the upper part gets volume since my hair is pretty flat. After 10 seconds, I release. And then curl it back up. Release till the end. And then curl everything. Then after 10 seconds, I release everything. I prefer using the clamp instead of just wrapping around the hair. It can get really tiring at times. I used to do this a lot, like just do this. But nakakangalay siya. It just takes too much energy. Whenever I use the clamp, my arms are just resting and I don't get as tired as to doing this one. So this is the finished look. This is how my hair looks like after I've curled it. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys are my go-to hairstyles. For my go-to hairstyles, I love to use accessories to spice up the look. Some hairstyle may be really easy, but if you use a really nice accessory with it, it's gonna look bomb. The first hairstyle I'm gonna do is the half up, half down. So I'm not gonna include my bangs. I'm gonna start here and then just tie my hair to like a small ponytail here on top. It really does make a difference when you do this hairstyle with curly hair. It just looks more bouncy and stylish, I guess. My fluffy scrunchie. It's a really easy hairstyle. You can use any scrunchie you have. For the volumized ponytail, I like to use a clamp. I used to love using this when I was young, and I'm so glad I rediscovered it because it gives so much volume to my hair. So the first thing I like to do with this hairstyle is to gather all my hair up, just how you'd normally do your ponytail. Then I like to make it a bit messy, so it looks like I didn't do that much, or I didn't put on that much effort into it. Then once that's up, I like to twist it. Twist it. Then I put my hair clamp. This is just a quick hairstyle when I want to get my bangs out of my face. To keep them away from my face, I like to use these pink clips. What I like to do with this is very simple. I like to just put it here. Just like that. This next hairstyle kind of gives me that princessy vibe because it's kind of like a crown on your head. And how I do it is I get a small chunk of my hair at the top and then I twist it. Get another chunk of hair and then I twist them together. Another one. Then I just keep doing that till I have my desired amount of hair that I can clip. Then I'm just gonna clip it at the back of my head. And you can also stop here, but I like to do this other part of my hair too, just to give it that like full crown look. Continuing with this hairstyle, I'm just gonna gather all my hair together and then put it into a bun. This is what I like to do when I don't like wash my hair in the morning. I just put it in the bun, make it all like cute so they don't know that I didn't wash my hair. That is it for today's video. I hope you're all having a great day and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe as well. I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye guys!